Hello everyone, my name is Larissa Love and I'm the Joico Global Brand Ambassador.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia Smalley, Joico Brand Storyteller.
We're going to be using the new Blonde Life Demi Gloss toners on you.
Ooh.
And we have 6 new colors.
Okay.
And I'm so excited to be using Blonde Life Powder Lightener on you. It gives you 9+ levels of lift. And what I want to do with you is I want to bring your color up. Your hair has grown out quite a bit, and I want to give you a glow up. All right, we prepped Olivia with Joico Defy Damage Pro 1. This is gonna make her hair 5 times stronger, reduce 80% less breakage, maintain 90% more color vibrancy, and give her a greater and even lift, and just keep those bonds super strong and rebuilding those bonds as well. And then we section around to 4 zones. That way we have a roadmap, where to start, where to finish, and everything's gonna be balanced and cohesive from one end to the other. So one important tip is to know that no hairline is ever the same. So it's so important to always follow the hairline and tailor it to the client. I always like to start off in the front, so that way I can start with the lower developer, because what we see the most is gonna be more compromised. We're gonna put more time and attention to it. So it's always gonna be a little bit more compromised. Whenever I'm doing a retouch on a previously lightened blonde, I'm not gonna wanna go in with the same developer. So I like to go in with a higher developer on her regrowth, where it's much darker, and then I'll go in on the bottom where it's previously lightened with a lower developer. Whenever I'm weaving out baby lights or regular lights, I like to weave out more in the middle than closer to the root, because I'm not so precise with my highlight. It kind of breaks up the hairline. It scatters the highlight so that way it looks more natural. And while I'm doing that, I'm always gonna go against the grain of the hair to blur it out and give it more of a blended effect. Whenever I'm doing foiling at the mohawk section, we have a lot of foils that are pulled towards the front of her face. So what I like to do is get a cotton ball and make it into a pretty thick cotton ball, and I'll put it right here in the front. What that's gonna do is that's gonna lift it off of her face so she's more comfortable, but then it's gonna let the foils breathe. That way she lifts much more easier and evenly. Quick tip on how to apply very close to the nape area, especially if you don't have an assistant, is what I like to do is I like to ask the client to look down whenever I'm foiling, and then if I'm foiling the left side, I'm gonna ask her to actually look to the left, so that way her neck can act as a board and it can be nice and flat, and I can be very precise on getting as close as possible to that root area. And same thing on the opposite side, asking her to look on the right side when I am working on the right. I just finished Olivia's hair, and I have known her for almost a decade, and I've never colored her hair before until now. And I am so excited about the results.
So when we were going through consultation, we were talking about we want something that's a little beigey, not too cool, not too warm. So right in the middle of what Larissa did was perfect for my hair, am I right?
Yes, and you can tell that's exactly what she has. Hydrated, vibrant, blonde, beautiful, healthy hair.
Larissa nailed it. It looks amazing.
And we are forever bonded by blonde, baby girl. I love you so much.